Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Today, we are going to conduct our club activities. First of all, Sachin is going to give a speech. Sachin.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and all of you. I'm Sachin Kumar, and my today's topic is some skills for becoming a good entrepreneur. First of all, what is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur refers to someone who builds and operates his own business or a company. The entrepreneur can enjoy a great deal of profits when the goods will going well, and sometimes they earn a great deal of risk, as like financial risk, career risk, and overall business risk. There are some skills for be a good entrepreneur. First one is communication. Second, sales. Third, focus. Fourth, ability to learn. And fifth one is business strategy. We all are talk about first communication. An entrepreneur needs to effective communicator. They understood how to communicate effectively to the stakeholders and the potential stakeholder of the company or a business. Second one is sales. A good communicator sells everything and anything to anyone. As like the business ideas to the potential investors. Second, goods and services to the customers, and sometimes themselves to the employees. Third one is focus. A focused entrepreneur don't hesitate in any condition. When the business is going up and when the going is down, next point, ability to learn. When an entrepreneur have ability to learn anything, he does anything for maximize his profit for the company. Next one is business strategy. To part of the successful entrepreneurship, business are going ups and downs, but some business strategy like when the business is getting down, thank you. I like to give the chance to on the topic of business.
Thank you to Sachin. He gives to me chance to speaking in front of you. And good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, my all friends. I'm going to giving a presentation on business. So first of all, we have to familiar with the words. What is the business and what is the meaning of business? So business is the economic activity in which we do on a regular basis. We have to do business for earning the maximum profit and earning the profits. So second question is arise, why do we do business? So businesses do for the only purpose, so motive of earning profits. And in business, there is no always creating profits. There is also a chance, and there is also, because of uncertainties, we have to go in the loss. The company is getting lost, and in this situation, the company is get over and completely get into binded. Third question is arise that where do we do business? So businesses do at a place where the opportunity is available, where the chance of getting maximum profits, where the chance of the person who earn profits. And fourth question is that which are the person who able to do business and which are the who is able to do the business. So a person who has active, a person who want to busy in their activity, a person who have some innovative skill, a person who have the creativity and doing something new, the person who that do all this type of activity, that person indulge in the business and do activities like a business. Fifth question is that when do we do business? Where did it start from? Where is the place of origin of business and where it get into? So businesses start from a one place and getting into the another place, ending at place. Businesses start at a place where the production of goods and services occur and end at a place where the goods and services reach at a customer and a consumer. Between these, there is a long process. First process is that where the goods and services manufactured. And second is that where is the goods are stocked, that is a wholesaler. And third is that retailer. And fourth is customer and consumer. So sixth question is that how do we do business? So first of all, how do we do business? We have to analyze the market situation. We have to analyze what is the condition of market. For this, we have to doing some activity and analyze the market deeply. There is one process. This process is called a SWOT. So what is the meaning of SWOT? First of all, we have to analyze this and we have to understand. There are 4 letters, SWOT. S is stand for strength. What is the strength of our business? And second word is W, which stand for weakness. What is the weakness of business? We have to also analyze this. And second is O, that is the opportunity. What is the opportunity of our business? And fourth letter is T, which is stand for threats. It is not the word for we are only include and analyze the business. It's also for ourselves. We have to analyze and we have to analyze in our real life. We have to connect to ourselves to becoming more improved in our business and to becoming more improved in our life also. Sixth question is that what is the pros and cons of business? What is the advantage and disadvantages of business? So first of all is that what is the advantages of business? So there is a advantage that growth, expansion, and survival of business, maximum profits, to getting enhanced knowledge. And what is the disadvantage and cons of a business? So we have so many working load. There is no relaxation. There is also risk, uncertainty. Uncertainties to that which is certain and which is not certain. Certain is the change in the market values, and uncertain is the like natural calamities, earthquakes, tsunamis, floods. And after that, I want to conclude. What is the conclusion of business? So conclusion of business is that everybody is not do business. Everybody cannot do business because business is a broad term. Business is what? In business, money is the valuable thing, and time is the money. And the person which are get higher knowledge and skill and talent, that the person is able to do a business. And we have to also I want to say that the person who tactfully handle all the situation, this person is only go to in the business field and do business tactfully. And after that, I conclude my speech and say thank you to all of you.
Kushi, well tried. Now you see how easy it becomes when you take down all the 5 W's and 1 H and advantages and disadvantages of any topic. So this is the strategy if you take into consideration. Given any topic or even extemporaneously, somebody gives you a topic on the spot, extempore. This is not going to be difficult if you know your 5 W's and 1 H, and if you work on your SWOT and the advantages and disadvantages and conclusions. So this is the way you should start. And Khushi, well done. Continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today's next activities also voice and translation events are organized by Khushi. So we are now starting that.
What was the event you said, Suyash?
Ma'am, voice translation event, ma'am.
Voice
Yeah.
translation? What's that?
Ma'am, it's like giving us some sentences and we have to translate it.
Okay, are you talking about tongue twisters? Are you talking about limericks? Are you talking about translations? What are you talking about? Lost in translation. Are you talking about that? Okay, fine. Continue. Please involve students who are online also. Now, who's coordinating?
Ma'am, Khushi is coordinating this.
Okay. Khushi, you may begin. Khushi, start.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I am. We are celebrating Communicating English Club, and I am doing the activity of conversation, active voice into passive voice, and then translation. So, first of all, I want to say that those are the students which are doing this class online mode. Please raise their hand. Raise their hand, which are connected from online mode.
Sanskar and Manish can start. Yeah.
First of all, I give chance to Sanskar.
Yes, Khushi. Thank you for the giving opportunity.
Options, what
First
they have to
question
do.
is for you. This is the active voice. You have to change this sentence into a passive voice. Okay.
Okay.
People speak in Hindi. People speak Hindi in Bihar. Convert the
People
voice.
Khushi, are you asking Sanskar to translate this in English?
Yes, ma'am. She's asking for me.
तो इसको हिंदी कन्वर्ट करना है क्या करना है? What is this? Active and passive?
Ma'am, actually,
Then
it's a
Continue whatever it is.
Ma'am, I'm
Passive
giving the
में convert
sentence to
करना.
Sanskar and said that him ki convert the voice active into passive.
Please repeat the question, Khushi.
People speak Hindi in Bihar.
Khushi, open it in-house. Those who know.
Sanskar, you want to get more time?
Yeah, just 1 minute. 30 seconds, sorry.
It's okay, Sanskar. So this question passed to Manish. Change the voice, Manish.
Yes, of course. Hindi is spoken in Bihar.
Okay, this is the correct answer.
Thank you. And the next question.
Second question. My mother cooks food.
My mother's
Change the voice.
Food is cooked by my mother.
Food is cooked by my mother. By my mother. Sanskar, don't interrupt.
Oh, sorry.
Speak loud. I'm not getting your voice.
Food is cooked by my mother. Passive voice of.
Okay, this is your correct answer.
Next question.
So my third question is from Adarsh. She helps her sister in studying. Change this voice. She helps her sister in studying.
Her sister is helped by her. The sister is helped by her in studies.
Okay. Second question, I want to ask from Rishu. People always admire this kind of activity. People always admire this kind of activity.
These kind of activities always
Complete the sentence.
this kind of activities always
Okay, correct answer. Then I want to ask question from Sanjali. Sanjali, where are you? I ask question from Sachin. And my question is, they make furniture. They make this
Which
types of furniture.
furniture are made by them? Made by them.
My second question is from Suez. People speak English all over the world.
English is spoken all over the world.
Correct answer. And my last question is from Akash. One uses milk for making curd and sweets.
Milk is used for making curd and sweets.
Correct answer. So my voice conversation activity is over, and I'm going. You connected. My question is from you, Sanjali. I help those poor boys. And what the boys? I help those poor boys.
Those poor boys are helped by me.
Correct answer. So
Great going.
Going ahead, and I am starting the conversation activity. Hindi English to English. Hindi sentence to English sentence.
Very
So
good.
my first.
Yeah, very well coordinating. Good. Yes, Khushi, continue. क्या हो गया? Hello.
My second activity is translation. So I'm giving.
All right, is Khushi coordinating all the events? I believe there were different coordinators for different events. How come Khushi is coordinating for all the events, Suyash?
Ma'am, she will be doing 2 activities.
Okay, fine. That's okay. Very good work. Yes, hello, Suyash, what's happening? Right. And the event is called Lost in Translation. Fine.
Can you please
Continue,
open the
continue with
camera?
Suyash.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like you to switch on your camera. Sir, are you there or not? I'm giving you a Hindi sentence. You have to translate it in English. तुम्हें ये प्रोजेक्ट अच्छे से हैंडल करना चाहिए. Translate it. Sanskar, please don't waste our time.
Hello.
Translate it.
What? Give the sentence.
तुम्हें ये प्रोजेक्ट अच्छे से हैंडल करना चाहिए. Translate it in English.
Sanskar, this is not the time pass class. Don't waste your time, Suyash. Ask somebody else.
You have to handle this project in a good way.
Translate. Sanskar, you have lost your chance. Now keep your mic off.
Actually, मैम नेटवर्क सही नहीं आ रहा मैम, कट रहा आवाज.
Manish, please translate this. तुम्हें ये प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा.
Yes, Suyash, continue.
Manish, translate this sentence. तुम्हें ये प्रोजेक्ट अच्छे से हैंडल करना चाहिए.
Translation है you should handle this project properly.
Correct. Akash Kumar.
Yes.
Rahul रोज क्लास नहीं जाता है. Translate.
Rahul doesn't go to class regularly. Yeah, every day.
Now Rishu. हम लोग डेली क्लास 9 बजे जाते हैं.
And why isn't Sanjali Shreya involved in any activity?
We come to class daily.
Now Sanjali, it's your turn.
Rita रोज अपनी डायरी रात को लिखती है. Translate this sentence.
Rita writes his diary every night. Her diary.
Next is आदर्श नारायण. आप हमें टेक्निकली पढ़ाते हैं. Translate this.
You teach us technically.
Next is your turn.
Okay.
हम लोग अंग्रेजी बोलना
अच्छा,
He
मेरा
learned
मेरा एक
English
ट्रांसलेशन है.
speaking.
ओके, मेरा एक ट्रांसलेशन है, इन हाउस है. एनीबडी कैन,
Yes, ma'am.
या. वो जाते जाते रुक गया. वो जाते जाते रुक गया. Come on. What is the feel of this sentence?
Ma'am, he stayed while going.
Why?
Ma'am, he stopped going.
He stopped going.
Ma'am, he stopped going.
He stopped going.
Yes, ma'am.
आते जाते कहाँ इसमें?
Stop going.
He'll stop while he going.
He might be going. Yeah. So these are fun activities.
He stopped going there.
वो गिरते गिरते संभल गया. इस तरह के sentences थोड़ा fun sentences होते हैं, but you have to take out the meaning. ठीक है? So that each and every word translate नहीं होता है. You have to translate the feel of the sentence. Yes, continue. Yes, yes, your next.
He fell down.
He fell down.
He fell down. What is the sentence?
No, ma'am.
Sentence क्या?
Answering your question, ma'am. गिरते गिरते सब
Oh
He
God.
controlled falling.
गया.
He controlled falling. गिरते गिरते समझ गया. So
Sentences are completed, ma'am.
yeah. All right. Do you have any other activity? Include GDs, include thematic appreciation, include role play, include skits. You can have a skit for at least half an hour. आधे घंटे का कोई skit तैयार करो, prepare करो. You can include songs, English songs, poetries, whatever. Activities under the name of English can be just about anything. So include all these things and make Friday activity a fun class where you can be happy to
Yes, ma'am.
join, isn't it? And very good work done, Suyash and Khushi and Sachin. Fine, those who are coordinated. Khushi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Suyash and Sachin only, no? The rest of the students also take responsibility. The more you take responsibility, the smarter you will be.
And the whole class participated equally, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
I'm
good.
also prepared for this day.
Yeah, please take responsibility of any event and coordinate. And you will be learning leadership skills. When you learn to coordinate, you will learn leadership skills. And which communication is in any ways important for you to career-wise also. So if you want to rise high, if you want to get selected, if you want to achieve your dreams, you cannot do without communication. Prioritize on communicating. So I have included one class for this, and you see how you will improve. And Sanskar, better grow
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
Grow up. You are not in standard one. Like you are there all the time, and when anybody asks any question, the network problem is always there.
मैम बोला था मैंने, लेकिन यस चांस ही नहीं दिया.
उसका भी time limit है ना. He will not waste the whole hour for you. He asked you a question, he gave you a minute or two. but then we cannot waste time, right? You learn from
Yes, ma'am.
mistakes. We all learn from mistakes. And we all aim to be better. Be a better version of you. What you are today, next day, next class, be better. All right, thank you. And
Thank you, ma'am.
very well coordinated. I am happy.
Thank you, ma'am.